So an overview of the test here, or its format anyway. Test Unit 5. 18 multiple choice and 3 free response. 18 multiple choice, 3 free response. Multiple choice topics covered. Like this is just very broadly. I went through it and just kind of listed out the topics. MVT is definitely in there. Mean value theorem. Calculus slope equals algebra slope somewhere. And then this idea that f prime tells you if f is increasing or decreasing. It helps you find the relative min and max, right? Because that's related to increasing and decreasing. F prime has to do with critical points, right? That's where f prime is 0 or undefined. It gives you your potential maximums and minimums. Second derivative tells you where f is concave up or concave down. Points of inflection, that would be where f double prime changes signs, right, where the cavity changes. So be careful, it's where f prime is 0 or undefined, but also changes signs. Max or min on an interval. And that on an interval is the flashing red lights to check endpoints. I hadn't even worked the key, but I can guarantee you one of the wrong answer choices is going to be what the answer you'd get if you don't check the endpoints. So make sure you check the endpoints. And then several, I think I counted 4 or 5. Given a graph of f prime, ... That's what we just did. Because if you have the graph of f prime, you can say things about increasing and decreasing. You can say things about concavity. You can say lots of different things. So we can ask lots of questions when we give you the graph of f prime. Anything on there stand out as whoa, wait a minute, what's that mean? This is sort of a test outline / review at the same time. 3 free response questions. 2 of them are given a graph of f prime. Again, like the one we just did from worksheet 4. You could probably fill in the questions from there. Where is f increasing or decreasing? Where is f concave up or concave down? Where does f have a point of inflection? Where does f have a relative max or a relative min? So we can ask all those questions. We could even ask for, well, we have to give you a point, but we could ask you to write a tangent line because you can pick off the slope from the graph. So tons of things we can do with given a graph of f prime. And then one of them is given a table of basically x values and y values. And I'll just stop there on that. You could approximate slope, you could do mean value theorem, you could do intermediate value theorem. There's a lot of different things you could do if we give you a table. And given that it's on block day, I don't think time will be an issue.